How to fix WhatsApp call unavailable problem. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix the problem like WhatsApp call unavailable problem on your device. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open WhatsApp with your account. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp, you'll have to just tap on three dots just at the top right corner. And now from here, tap on settings. Okay, so from the settings section, you'll have to scroll down and go with the options like help. So simply tap on this. Okay, simply tap on help center. Alright, so from here, you'll have to choose voice and video calls. And now from here, you'll have to tap on this contact us option just at the bottom right corner. Okay, so from here in this section, you'll have to explain your problem briefly that you are not able to make WhatsApp call on your device. So after you made a request from here to the WhatsApp support team, they will contact you truly and provide you the official step to fix that problem. And that's all. This is the easiest and simplest method to solve that problem. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.